So guys, let's see this GBP JPY starting with the weekly time frame. This was around 2020 or late 2019. We've actually been going moving up on this GBP JPY, which means on this weekly time frame we are bullish. I mean, price is actually rolling up, coupled with the fact that price is now below the 10-period moving average. You can see this moving average, price has actually gone below, above it. Then at some point in time, the price actually range within this area here. We kind of see like a resistance level and kind of like a support level. So basically, price broke above it, right? But it came back at it broke above it, kind of range again. Then we take this as the new resistance level, which is as the new highs, and take this as the lows, which is our support level. So now take a look at it. Once this price comes to this resistance level, we see this huge wick when then the price drops. We see it again roll again to the resistance level, then this huge wick occurs, then come to this support level. Basically, it rolls again to this resistance level, and we saw this huge wick again. That's what we are expecting again, a drop at least on this GBPJPY to take out this our support level. So anytime our price comes to this resistance level, we tend to see it drop to the support level. See it again, this huge wick, then this drop which came to tap the support level. We all can see this drop again that came to support this tap the support level, and now it has gotten to this huge wick at the resistance, and we are expecting it to drop to the support level. So I mean, weekly time frame we are ranging, but on this ranging move we are expecting the drop to the support level. Downward to the daily time frame on the GBP JPY, you can see it fully, price is actually ranging, right? So we are expecting a drop, right? Now I think today we actually closed bullish. Because we closed bullish, I still believe we would actually close bullish tomorrow, then a drop will occur, because we are expecting a drop to the support level, right? And once we have an impulse move downward, as we are all expecting, once we have that impulse move downward, we also be seeing a correction, which means once we have this impulse move downward, a correction should occur, right? After the correction, then another drop again. So basically, as of today, we've now started the correction process. So I mean, correction, is it over? Probably not. Probably it will be over tomorrow or next tomorrow, but we are now on a correction on this daily time frame. So reason why we actually closed bullish. Let's see if the correction will actually push up to take out this level, which is a level of 165. Let's see if it will actually give us that correction to a level of 165. Currently we are at a level of 163. If it can come to the level of 165, then we would be seeing a drop on this GBP JPY. So GBP JPY, we are on a bullish move. Next day, we're very much likely to have a bullish move. Now to actually take this trade, we would roll down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, you can see here we are actually bearish on the 4-hour time frame. This was an impulse move. A correction was made here. We had another impulse move, and guess what? We are on a correction. I still believe the correction should actually roll to take out this loss. I think the correction of, let's see, the level of 164.1 164.670. So let's see if the correction will actually roll to the level of 164.670. Then we will be getting a drop on this GBP JPY. So 4-hour time frame, we are still on a pullback level. Daily time frame too, we are kind of, we just started the pullback level. So I mean, the next day also we will continue to go bullish, which means GBP JPY will actually give us that bullish move the next day. So I mean, watch out for it. GBP JPY, a bullish move will be occurring.